This is the Freightliner RC that's on eBay right now. It's missing mirrors here and here. Looks like they've both been broken off. Has them on this side. Everything works. It does not come with the charger for this battery. I do not have a charger for it. So that's the only downfall. But reverse works, forward works, steering works, the kingpin works. Turn signals. Oh wait, engine sound. That's cool. I didn't know it did that. Turn signals. Those are hazards. Yeah, I don't know what all the functions do on this thing. Kind of still experimenting with it. But there it is. All around looks pretty darn good. Has all the covers for it, for the battery compartments. Nice looking semi. Little scratch there. Check it out. It'll be on eBay.